Hi, and welcome to the Accent Bank by Sarah Valentine. My name is Tena Fulghum. I am from Augusta, Georgia, and I have a Southern American accent. I would say it's Coastal Carolina because it's fast and it's kind of nasally. 5 things they say around here. We say reckon, we say pocketbook, we say your mama and them to mean everybody in your family, and we say Coke to mean every possible soda under the sun. I'm going to read some statements now. Here we go. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. She sells seashells on the seashore. I have parked my car near the garage. If you're looking for it, it's a blue Nissan. The sun is so hot today. I love summer. I like to go walking on the beach, but I also love it when it rains and I'm inside and I can hear it on the roof. Would you like a glass of water? For breakfast, I would love a coffee, and could I please have some eggs, 2 pieces of toast, and some mushrooms? I love to eat bananas. I don't think it's a good idea to be rude to people. Kindness is free. My favorite animal is a cat, but I like dogs too. I would love to travel to a few of these cities: London, Paris, New York, Los Angeles, Tokyo, Berlin, Amsterdam, Athens, Lagos, Barcelona, Rome, Dubai, Vancouver, Moscow, Singapore, Sydney, and Dublin. Be kind to one another. Lastly, if you want to learn accents, remember to go to actorsaccentcoach.com. Now I'm going to count from 1 to 20 and do the alphabet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A is for apple, B is for banana, C is for Charlie, D is for dog, E is for egg, F is for frog, G is for gold, H is for hello, I is for ice cream, J is for joy, K is for king, L is for lemon, M is for mother, N is for nut, O is for orange, P is for pepper, Q is for queen, R is for rose, S is for Sarah, T is for tomorrow, U is for umbrella, V is for Valentine, W is for water, X is for x-ray, Y is for yellow, Z is for zebra. My name, again, is Tena Fulghum, and I am an educational consultant. My business is Making Math Matter. What we do is we help teachers make math accessible and understandable for students K-8 nationwide in the United States of America. We've worked from Denali, Alaska to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, both Native American reservations. So if you're looking and you need some math help, www.makingmathmatter.net. And thank you for letting me be a part of this. We need more good Southern accents coming out of actors. We don't talk slow and we don't all sound like Scarlett O'Hara. So thank you.